Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change interface language on a Hanseatic Smart TV. To do this, first we'll need to click on the home button on our remote, then navigate to the gear icon all the way up in the top right corner of the screen. And if your TV is set in a language you don't understand, then just follow whichever buttons I'm pressing. So we're going with the settings, okay? Then scroll down and select Device Preferences. It has this display icon. Click on OK, then scroll down and look for the globe icon, Language, click on OK, and from here you'll be able to find your preferred language. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.